Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be trolling for striper in the rain. I hope you enjoy.
Let's go. First off. Oh yeah. Good one. Shoot. Oh, he's Patrick. Oh no, don't go under there. Oh, he's... Oh my god. Get him. Quick, Dylan. You got him? Nice little striper. Let's go! Fish on. Another one. So this lure is cooking right now.
Yeah.
Oh, his head shakes. Oh, let's go. Oh, it's tiny. You got him? Nice little one. Let's go.